So when did additive manufacturing come on your radar?
Oh, additive manufacturing. So there's a bit of a story here. So when I came out, and I'll roll back a little bit. So end of my apprenticeship, there was an opportunity in our moulding department, and at the time we had probably 3 or 4 injection molding machines, 1 extrusion blow molder. We were manufacturing about 10,000 parts a month for our business. So really quite small.
Like internal business, like you were doing, like internal parts and things.
That's right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. Yes. So, relatively small, really, low volume. And that was, we'd manage all the tooling, the machines, the process, everything. It was like a very small startup business within a huge organization. So there was a role in that section as a process engineer. And as I said to you to start with, I used to like to make things. I like to see, something from start to finish. So it kind of really sort of met what I was looking for. So I accepted, and we really grew that area of molding into quite a huge business. So we have now 14 injection molder machines. We have 4 injection stretch blow machines and 1 extrusion blow molder. And we're producing 5 million moldings a month now. So we really did upscale over the last 10 years. And that is, again, manufacturing products for internal use, but they would be obviously assembled and then sent to our European customers. So we had massive growth, and that was, looking at tooling, really improving our game, having really high-end tool makers, looking at machinery, equipment. Our target was always to be world class, and we really did achieve. Well, we have achieved that. So I worked my way up through the ranks. So I can't remember now. Probably maybe 10 or 12 years ago, I was promoted. I head up the molding area, and then I would say in 2015, Rico sort of got involved into additive. I can remember being asked to go to, it was before Formnex, it was Euromold.
Yeah.
Back in the day. I couldn't actually make it. One of my colleagues went, but I knew there was something coming. I could tell. And then Rico got into additive manufacturing in 2015 when we went to market with a large format SLS printer. But I wasn't involved in additive at that stage. We were actually struggling with printability of our polypropylene. I think it was 2016, and our managing director had said to me, because I had sort of done quite a lot of design of experiments and Taguchi in molding, and he said, "Look, I need you to support a project in additive, looking at this polypropylene." So we applied. We did a DOE study, and I supported the guys, and I haven't left since. So it was, it was from my MD. Can you pop down for a day, a week or so, and then I've ended up taking over sort of the European operation for additive, and that was in around 2016 time. So I look after now. I still retain the moulding, and now the additive. So we're fully immersed in the Rico's additive business, which again is really exciting. And we're really trying to develop that business now into something really exciting.